Hey guys, today I'll be showing you a video on types of sneezers. Let's get into it. So, the first one will be the overreactor. Oh, nothing's wrong, guys. Nothing happened, bro. Next one will be stupid. Confuzzle. Hit butter. Eraser. Next one is fake, just to get some blessings. Chew. Chew, chew. Chew. Fourth one. Wrong time. Hey buddy, haven't seen you in a long. Too loud. Thanks guys. I'm really trying to help my channel grow. I have so far 2 subscribers. If you could help me get to 100, that'd be really nice. I want when I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll be giving away something special. Probably like an Xbox. Probably not an Xbox, maybe an iPod or an iPhone, or maybe some Legos or something like that. So, thank you guys for even visiting my video, and see you next time.